Just by simmering, the oil, the water in the milk evaporates, and you know, the oil and the coconut cooks the sugar, so it thickens your. Kanina it was okay. There, that's perfect. Okay, so you can see it looks yellowish on screen, but it's really orangey, right, guys?
Yeah, it's orange. More orange.
So I'm gonna put this na, ha, para ma. Tell them to grill it more, ha? Ha? It's really so sarap. I'm not a curry person, but when I eat this, when I learn to cook this, I really like it. So again, it says there what you should put, but honestly, please adjust it to your flavor. You want it a little saltier, you want it a little sweeter, it's up to you. And wow, I like how we use, luckily I didn't use the very hot chili, okay? So it's just a tinge of spiciness. Chef Noel, can you debone this? Can you debone that? So right now it's still like that. This can do, but you want it a little thicker. So you wanna wait. I wanna adjust the flavors before I cover it. So I'm gonna cover it, and I'm gonna teach you the dipping sauces. Perfect. Just a little bit more sugar. This is palm sugar. Excuse me, ha. Yeah, please. So the chicken, you know, I mean, we made the marinade of the chicken, right? And of course, that one you can cook off the stove, pan grill it, or of course do the barbecue. For you, and you have this brand, no? Okay, so back to the chicken curry. It's been like 10 minutes. Okay, so where's our spoon? So can you show this? So do we have eggplant or anything like that? May eggplant tayo. Or lychee, eggplant. Yung fried eggplant. Okay. So, this is almost done. Again, you check the flavors. Yeah, can someone show this again from the top? So, we don't have the vegetables here, but as I put there, if you fry your eggplants, you cut them in like, you can either smoke them. You know how when you make talong, tortang talong, you smoke them and you cut them in like about 2 inches long lengthwise, okay? And then you put them inside. It's really good. And then you also fry your sitaw, fry it in like that. Toss it in, yes. Then you can also put tofu, and you know what's even yummier? Put it with lychee. Lychee. So you want, or grapes. Or grapes. So you cut. So again, if you guys are adventurous enough to try, don't worry, it's piping hot. So kung anong virus man, namatay na. Perfect. Wow, sarap. Can I have more bowls? So you saw the sitaw, they just blanched this one, which is fine. But it's really good. Yung cream pakibukas kasi drizzle natin. So the way to finish it is, after it's simmered down, you put it in your bowl, then you drizzle with coconut cream, which is thicker. But drizzle, ha? Don't pour the whole can in. You're holding up? Yeah, cream is thicker. I need a big spoon. Ayan, dito. Oh yeah, please. With the eggplant, it's superb. I'm not gonna put cream anymore, but you can just imagine. Are we okay na? So to our Zoomers, what we did was we added snake beans, which is sitaw, and tofu. This is tofu. Okay, and we suggested also smoked or grilled eggplant together, and or lychee, as I mentioned it in the recipe, lychee and or grapes.